This is the new Apple Vision Pro. It is Apple's very first spatial computer. It has the best displays we've ever seen on a VR headset, nearly as good as the naked eye, and it costs. This is the Meta Quest 3, Meta's latest VR headset. It's one of the best gaming headsets out there. It's very comfortable to wear, and it costs. So the Apple Vision Pro costs 7 times as much as the Meta Quest 3. What makes the Vision Pro so expensive? And is it even worth the hefty price tag? Let's find out. But before I dive into discussing the Vision Pro, it's important to understand 3 key terms: virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. Virtual reality, VR, is a fully immersive, computer-generated world that perfectly mimics all the physical sensations of the real world. With mixed reality, MR, you can play a virtual video game, grab your real-world water bottle, and smack an imaginary character from the game with the bottle. Augmented reality, AR, seamlessly blends virtual elements with the real world, such as overlaying historical facts onto landmarks or animated directions overlaid on city streets. Apple insists that the Vision Pro is not a VR headset, but a spatial computer. When you strap on the Vision Pro, you can watch a movie through the screen on your face and see your house around you. You can pull up a workout app through Apple's headset and position virtual exercise guides above your yoga mat as you follow the instructions. But you're not viewing the actual environment. You're seeing a nearly live streaming video of your home. Apps are superimposed onto this view, allowing for seamless integration of virtual content into your surroundings. The thing is, Apple doesn't want you to think of the Vision Pro as a VR headset. They achieve this by focusing on exceptional display quality. The displays are what make the Vision Pro experience great. Apple chose to include high-resolution displays in order to bring the headset's pass-through mode closer to simulating reality. The Vision Pro has 2 displays, one for each eye, with 23 million pixels across both, each pixel measuring just 7.5 micrometers. Reading text on them is effortless, and they illuminate movies with brilliance. The displays deliver vibrant, color-accurate imagery without appearing oversaturated or blown out. The displays are the main reason the Vision Pro is so expensive. The Vision Pro's second most expensive components are the Apple M2 chip, also found in the MacBook Air, and the R1 chip. The R1 chip is dedicated to real-time data processing from all onboard sensors. It's responsible for eye, hand, and head tracking, lag-free rendering of the user's environment in video pass-through more, and other Vision OS features. This chip takes the input from 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and 6 microphones, and processes it within 12 milliseconds. It essentially offloads the processing burden from the main processor and optimizes performance. So, high-resolution displays and a powerful processor. Is that why the Vision Pro is so expensive? Yes. But I think the primary reason Apple is charging a high price for the Vision Pro is the remarkable amount of cutting-edge technology packed into the product. Apple CEO Tim Cook says that there's 5,000 patents in the product, and it's built on many innovations that Apple has spent multiple years on, from silicon to displays and significant AI and machine learning. All the hand tracking, the room mapping, all of this stuff is driven by AI, and so we're incredibly excited about it. Now that you know why the Vision Pro is so expensive, the question remains, is it truly worth the price tag? Well, the answer is totally dependent upon your use case. While the Vision Pro offers cutting-edge features, the Quest 3 is far superior for gaming and working out right now. With its vast library of VR games and compatibility with Steam VR, when connected to a VR-ready gaming PC, the Quest 3 outperforms the Vision Pro by a significant margin. Apple's spatial gaming selection is limited, and it may take years to catch up to Meta's offerings. Gaming on the Vision Pro is challenging beyond casual or non-VR games due to the lack of proper VR controllers and tactile feedback, which can lead to eye fatigue from having to physically look at everything. Many users prefer the Quest 3 for fitness, thanks to popular exercise apps like Supernatural, Beat Saber, and Pistol Whip, offering immersive workouts. In contrast, the Vision Pro lacks a robust fitness ecosystem and feels less suitable for physical activities due to its weight and battery pack. However, the Vision Pro excels in cinematic experiences. Its unparalleled immersion allows for movie watching in settings like a dark theater or a forest at night, surpassing the Quest 3's capabilities for 2D content. With displays featuring more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, watching a 3D film on the Vision Pro feels like having an IMAX theater at home. Moreover, the Vision Pro prioritizes productivity with its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem. Features like handoff and universal clipboard enhance productivity, while the ability to bring the Mac desktop into the Vision Pro streamlines workflow. Despite lacking multiple desktop views, the Vision Pro offers a crystal-clear 4K display with minimal latency for keyboard and mouse usage. Ultimately, whether the Apple Vision Pro justifies its price tag depends on individual preferences and priorities. For those seeking immersive entertainment and productivity within the Apple ecosystem, the Vision Pro is a worthy investment. However, for gaming and fitness enthusiasts, the Meta Quest 3 remains a more suitable and cost-effective option. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. It's something I don't do.